It's quiet. Now the wind is started to settle. Where's Toby? Toby, where are you? Toby, where are you? Oh wow, Toby, you're too nosy. Be careful. Your head might get stuck there. Where the where the walleye go? Where the walleye go? Just wanna close the before it's spelt.